Many people are saying that Sora AI is not showing on Google Play Store. But today I'll show you a method step by step that worked for me. So watch this video till the end. Step 1. First of all, go to your phone settings. Now open apps, then find Google Play Store. Tap on storage. Now click on clear cache and clear data. After this, go back. Step 2. Now I am creating a new Gmail account. This step is important, so don't skip it. After creating the new Gmail, I will use this account in Google Play Store. Now open Google Play Store again. As you can see, when I search for Sora AI here, it is still not showing. Step 4. Now let's go back and open Google or Chrome browser. Here I will search for Sora AI. Now you can see Sora AI is showing on Google search. Now I tap on this results. You can see an option like open in Play Store. Now I click on it. Now Google automatically redirects me to Google Play Store. And now you can see the install button is showing here. Now I simply tap on install. The app is downloading and now Sora AI is installed on my phone. So this is the method I wanted to share with you. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and share it with others. Follow JK Future Tech for more real tech videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.